public parks had any passion in life at all, it was the theater. He certainly had hopes and ambitions for higher office and had dedicated his life to hard work, zeal, and patience. Still, he would not deny himself his one great pleasure, so he purchased 2 tickets in the very best section of the theater for the opening night performance of Rostov's The Bearded Countess. As fortune would have it, into the theater that night came his respected superior, General Mikhail Brasov, the Minister of Public Parks, and his wife. Okay, it should go till they sat down, but maybe I was slower.
We could start walking in. We're a little bit far.
Maybe we should walk in early.
Faster. Well, if we, well, actually, we walk in on that road.
But now you're doing this